Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 12, 2023. 5-star Sudoku. Column I and fifth row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column I, column J, we have pair numbers 5, 7, 8. So 5, 7, 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We'll confirm later. Then the column H, 3 numbers are happening 3, 4, 6. 6th grade and 10th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. Then the column H, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 10th row, then 8th row, we have pair numbers 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We'll confirm later. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Fifth row and sixth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column B, column C, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 8 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 8th row, column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in any one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 8th row, 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column I, the 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then the column H, only 1 number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 9, 3. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 6th row, we have 6, 4, 7. The 3 numbers can't come the 2 cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We'll confirm later. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 6th row, only 1 number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, So column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E, column G, and that also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Now 5 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. Column G, column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Column I, column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. The ninth row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, the 5 is confirmed here. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Fourth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then fourth row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then fifth row, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 9. Column E, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.